Can legalizing weed fight racism? Let's find out. Okay, here's a surprising fact. Black people and white people smoke weed at about the same rate, but Black people are nearly 4 times as likely to be arrested for marijuana as a white person. In some states, it's 7 or 8 times more. And this isn't new. Weed was originally made illegal in the 30s because America has historically been racist as Check out this quote by the first head of drug enforcement. And if you don't think the war on weed is still super racist, let me ask you this. If the true goal was to arrest anyone who smokes weed, why don't the cops raid Coachella every year? And racist weed arrest patterns happen all over the country. In the West, Black folks are twice as likely to be arrested. In the South, 3 times more likely. And in the Northeast and Midwest, 4 times more likely. Even though 9 out of 10 Americans believe personal weed possession should not result in jail, and 52% of Americans support legalization. So what happens when states legalize weed? Well, there's good news for everyone, and especially people of color. Since any drug arrest leads to loss of benefits, this means more people of color can continue to access jobs, student loans, public housing, and a variety of government services, which is great. Sadly, legalizing weed won't end racism, because even where weed is legal, Black people are still more likely to go to jail for marijuana offenses. But legalization is a small and important FU to the criminalization of people of color. So put that in your blunt and smoke it. Or don't, no pressure.